Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you a little glimpse of my room. So let's begin. So this is one of my little part which I have decorated by homemade things, and in my previous videos also you have seen what and how I made all such things. So if you want, I will also share the link so that you can go in my previous videos and check out how and with which material I have made this lovely small piece of one of my room. Okay, now it's a very dark, so you might be wondering what I'm trying to show you guys. So what I will do, I will now just put on the lights so that it will be easy for all of you to see what are the things in one of my room. Ta-da! Ooh. So you can see these are the things that I have create kind of DIY with the help of sparkling papers. So this is one thing which I have made, written home, and these are the dangling showpieces which I have created with three different colors. You can see pink, black and silver. Okay, now move to another side of my room. So I have this is my a kind of working table where I mostly work related to my office or some other things, and there are little books, collection of books as well, which I read sometime, not on the daily basis because I'm not that much interested in reading books, but I read them on weekends when I have some of my uh, got time from all these things. After that, I can show you that there are two masterpieces that I have ordered from Amazon, and these are one of my favorite coats that I have ordered, and seriously I love them a lot. So, and if you want, I will also share the link so that you can purchase or order for you, and there are so many coats available at the Amazon. So you can order any of the codes which is favorite for your. This is my favorite code, so I have ordered them. One is beautiful, bu and more, or the beautiful person, and another one is the peace, because sometimes this is the thing which I need for my mind. Okay, now move on to the another side of my room. So as I already shown you that this is the thing which I have created, and yes, okay, so not going into more deep, I will just show you that there are four balls, which is the kind of the matkas you can have also look, and you can easily get from the Mitte market, and I just made them painted with the blue and the golden spray, and just written some of the quotes. As you can see, one is written by hello, and another one is the bless you. So these are two quotes which I have wrote on these two matkas, and on the above section you can see there is two another matkas which have the lace, white lace, which I just put on these two matkas, and in between there is a kind of cage which is one of my prettiest cage, and inside it I just put the fairy lights, so it will give the effect in the night when I just want to have the little or dim light. And above the all there is my tattoo, which is one of my favorite tattoo, and I have this one when I have 6 or 7 years old, I guess. So you can see there is also one eye left of my tattoo, another is I don't know, I am not able to find that another one, but this is one of my childish toys, soft toys, so I have just put it here. I will not let it go anywhere, whether I am become so old as well, because these are such things which is so attached to me. Okay, now on the another side, this is my bed, which is very huge and I cannot utilize the complete. Okay, another side, if I can show you from the starting, if I can show you, so these are three little frames. Let me little zoom out if I could. Yes, so these are little three frames which I have made by myself, just by taking the printout of the quotes. Okay, so the first quote is never give up. So this is the quote which I wrote whenever I feel down and I get motivated from these quotes. Another one is enjoy every movement. Definitely, we all should enjoy every single moment of our life. And the last but not the least is rise and shine. Definitely, we all rise and we all shine. Okay, apart from this, I have a little scenery which is the very old scenery, but I love that one, so I have just put it one of my wall. Below that I have another scenery which is also a kind of art which I have bought from Rajasthan and I love a lot, so I have just make it and put this one on my wall. Okay, now I will show you one of my cutest thing, which is sitting just beside my bed, master bed. Okay, so this is, I can show you. Okay, so this is the lovely, you can say, for the moment I haven't give any of the name to my Redu. I just say ready to him because he's always ready and he's just sitting like in a way that he can come with me anytime, anywhere. So he is my Redu and I love him a lot. Okay, this is one of my gift which I have got from my family, my mom. Actually, all the soft toys which I have in my room, this one, that one, another tortoise also, so all these soft toys, I love soft toys, and this is the one thing which my family, my friends admire also and give me most of the times, because they all knows that I am a soft toys lover. So these are the things they most of the time give me on my birthdays and on other occasions. Okay, then this is my washroom. So for this I will definitely create another video so that you can also have a look what I have inside my washroom, but not this time. Okay, now I can show you the window which I have in my room, which is the one thing which I love, because in the morning I have to see the sunshine and I love this part a lot. And just sorry, and just after this you can see there are lovely plants which I have in outside my room. These are all my favorite plants, and what are the type of plants I will show you maybe in the next video, definitely. But for the moment you can see that there are so many plants just outside my window. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. So do like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to see something more or about this. Is, I will tell you, this is one of my room. I have two rooms. One is the mini and another one is the master. So this is a master room, and in my mini room I have all my wardrobe, my mirror, my makeup and all these stuffs. In this room I have nothing. I have just because I came here to keep myself calm and do relaxation and sometime work. So as you can see, there is my working table, and so all the stuff which is related to my wardrobe, the collection of my makeup, where I got ready, is in the mini room. So in another video definitely I will show you my mini room. So this is all for today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.